Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from JEE Main 2026, 21st January shift 2nd. An infinitely long straight wire carrying current I is bent in a planar shape as shown in the diagram. The radius of the circular part is R. The magnetic field at the center O of the circular loop is. So student, here the wire has three parts. This one part AB, which is a straight part, and BCD is a circular part, and DE is a straight part again. So magnetic field due to part AB plus magnetic field due to part BCD plus magnetic field due to part DE is the sum of all magnetic field in this at the center. This is the center. So you know that due to a straight wire, the magnetic field is mu naught upon 4 pi I over R. Okay, and this is out in outward direction, therefore we take I cap, because I cap is x direction is given here in outward direction. Now BCD, due to this circular loop, the magnetic field is mu naught upon 2 I over R into I cap, and it is in inward direction, so this is we take it negative. Again we have this straight part, so which is mu naught upon 4 pi I over R into I cap. This is also in outward direction. So this total magnetic field mu naught upon 4 pi, mu naught upon 4 pi, this become 2 times mu naught upon 4 pi, therefore mu naught upon 2 pi I over R I cap, and this is mu naught upon 2 I over R into I cap. Here mu naught I into upon R, mu naught I upon R is common, 2 also common, therefore we write it as 1 upon pi remain here, minus here is 1 only, and this is I cap. So mu naught upon 2 R, this is 1 minus pi over pi into I cap, and if you write it as mu naught upon 2 pi R, 1 minus pi into I cap, but pi minus 1 is common given in equation, therefore we take minus common, so mu naught upon 2 pi R pi minus 1 into I cap, and this is the magnetic field which is given in option A. So option A is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.